Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 40i, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. And here you're looking for the screen recording, which for me is located right over here, and once you see it, you can simply tap on it. Now we can also pause it right here. When you tap on the toggle, it automatically begins recording, unlike some other phones, which will just give you this overlay and you can choose when to record. So there we go. Now I'm gonna quickly look before I continue recording if we have a certain application, but it looks like it doesn't come on this device. Oh, whoops, I did actually finish saving or finish recording. In any case, once you do, it actually gives you the bigger overlay right here with additional options like the record option, folder, which takes you to the designated location where you have only screen recordings. Then below that you have settings, which I just accessed, and close option to get rid of this overlay. And here in the settings we have options to record audio, either the device audio or microphone or both, video quality, which looks to be 720p, looks to be the highest one anyway, and then options for showing taps and touches, and also enabling do not disturb on while you're recording. In any case, let's get back to recording once more. Just want to kind of record something so there is anything to show. From there, I'm going to stop it, close this, and we can also navigate to our photos or gallery application, whichever one we have right here. So we have photos, a library. Ah boy, that pop-up. There we go. So library, and in here we should have a screenshot. There we go, or screen recording, album, and here you can see the two recordings that I've captured. Now they will start playing right away, and as you can see, they are abominable when it comes down to the refresh rate. So this is, by the looks of it, below 30, something like 15 by the looks. So keep that in mind. It's going to be very choppy, as you can see, and not very pleasant to watch, but still does the job if you need it. Now, one more thing that I didn't get to showcase, which is prevalent on screen recorders, is some applications do have the ability to block screen recorders based on the option that is already in Android for security. So typically, if you try to capture a screenshot or screen recording in something like your bank application, you just won't be able to do so. And that kind of works as intended to protect your information if there would be application that tries to get that info in some sketchy way. But most applications don't get to utilize that, though there are some, like Netflix as an example, which comes pre-installed on majority of the devices, that will utilize that, and there's nothing you can do about it, even though Netflix holds nothing that is sensitive to your privacy. Basically Netflix just kind of, shows you a middle finger and says deal with it. It's not your phone. So just want to point that out. If you ever encounter a screen recorder where you have fully black screen on the recording, just know that this was application, whatever you're trying to record just kind of blocked it, and it's application's fault and you have no control over that. But in any case, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.